Hello. Yeah, here we go. Discord. Discord is good. And Streamlabs. Yeah, both the vertical. Today we are streaming on both the screens, vertical and horizontal. So if uh vertical guys want to watch it in horizontal, you guys can check my channel. You guys can tap there and you know come and watch. You guys welcome. So coming to the today's price action. As you see, London lows and both the Asian lows have been taken. And today we have something interesting going on in here in indices. Very perfect, I would say. As we did a weekly analysis when we were when I was talking about classic expansion week. Look at this. What do we have? What did I talk about and what do we have? Look at this. Tuesday setting a low instead of this weekly fair value gap. This is a weekly fair value gap for you if you guys haven't if you guys are here for the first time. So this is weekly fair value gap down here which I marked. If you guys want to see, look at this weekly fair value gap. We tapped weekly fair value gap, and I also did say that on which day we are going to get that tap. So basically we got that tap on Tuesday and Wednesday expansion. Thursday, it was a very bit more difficult for Thursday's New York AM session to trade, but PM had a good expansion. And look at the Friday, good expansion towards the all-time highs. So as I said, Tuesday setting a low, Monday open, Tuesday sets a low, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday expansion towards the all-time highs. So I'm expecting a good expansion today as well. I don't know, but like we can also achieve this external liquidity, which is all-time highs before 10 a.m. open, because we have a very clean setup, like very clean market structure forming in here. I don't know. We have another half an hour here, maybe to 10 a.m. open, so I have to wait. Uh, Hopefully this high stays open till the 10 a.m. so that we can trade towards that drawn liquidity basically. Look at this beautiful drawn liquidity on both the assets there. Beautiful week. Uh, Beautiful week where like from the technical point of view. And even though we made it very well till yesterday, and yesterday we had a very bad day, very tight range kind of day, but somehow we did take couple of trades during London session, London and pre-London session, and made it back. That's the other thing. But again, uh, it's all about doing it on live stream. So just to stay transparent, have been sharing my P&L and have been sharing my whatever like trades, whatever I've taken off stream in the Discord. You guys can join there. Definitely, and do follow me on uh, both like Instagram and Twitter handle, and to join the Discord as well. Hello. Good evening, bro. I can't see the chat here. I can't see the chat for vertical. Please make sure to subscribe the channel, guys. It will help me a lot to, it will help our channel to grow more. If you guys want to see a horizontal screen, both the assets or whatever the assets I trade, like NQ and ES and silver and gold and oil, both the oils, you guys can hop into a horizontal screen view. I have both this streams going on in there in our channel. So yeah, like just for you guys to make a better understanding of technicals, whatever I do here. So make sure to just check that one as well wherever you feel comfortable. यहाँ पे कौन कौन है? Yeah, let's keep it going. What about gold today? Gold and silver. This is a silver chart, and I have gold chart on my left side of the screen. So I'll share like all the ideas, whatever I have here in gold and silver. Let's check it out. Give me a second, guys. Let me just resize my chart view there. Just let me go on this, guys. Three more people to join. This is not our usual. Not our usual. These are not a huge number of audience we get. Maybe to the side. No need to worry, guys. We still have a lot of time as we only till 10 a.m. 10 a.m. of an high low close. So just stay back, keep calm. We will get our setup. Happy. Are we not streaming, guys? What the fuck? Yeah, And we're taking to our last thing. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, here 4 hours, another 13 minutes. I hope. Give me a second. It's good. I hope we'll not get that push and take the external liquidity to 10 a.m. I don't want to see that happening. I think it's a bit stronger than you today, to be honest. Up, guys. It's up, little bit scream. How's everything going? Look at this. And look at these 15 minutes, no bottom wick. We might just drop around a little bit here. Again, that might be the problem for us if we think of anything trading in here. Because what candle is this? Sorry, what candle is this? 9:45 candle, maybe 9:45 candle. Can't say anything until and unless we get some kind of pattern correlation to put higher without if we don't have any bottom wick here. As you guys can see, if we just form the bottom wick, and we might just wiggle around a little bit here. It's not good at all. Which is good for 10 a.m., but not good if anyone tries to trade this something like someone is waiting for this time and changes the delivery for continuation in a FOMO of missing out, this strong liquidity, which is so bad. We should be not doing that. We should be just staying calm, you know, wait for our thing to happen. If it happens, all good. We are jumping in. If it doesn't happen, it's what we wanted, then we are just staying away. Let's see. That might be the reason. No volume on Discord. Let me see. No, bro. There should be volume on Discord. It should be volume on input. No, no, no. There should be volume on Discord. Yeah. Now you guys can see. So Yanchi model, TTFM, and GXT. Basically, 10 a.m. GXT. Hello, 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 brother. Hello. I was looking at the horizontal screen, so I just opened it. I don't know how to connect this chat thing to the what do you say? This thing. You know how to connect chat to the screen. What do you say? Screen so that I can read both the chats. Like both the chat, both the chats. अरे भैया और एक स्ट्रीम है और एक स्ट्रीम है चैनल पे जाके देखो और एक हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रीम है उधर भी देख सकते हो हमें भी देखो this is someone who is scrolling the shorts and out of nowhere I'll pop into his stream. ऐसा वाला सीन है ये। But I don't know how this will affect, but वहाँ पे मत देखो, वहाँ पे जाके देखो, हॉरिजॉन्टल हॉरिजॉन्टल पे जाके देखो, आप तो पीसी पे बैठे रहोगे ना, वहाँ पे जाके देखिए, कमेंट करना मेरे को, देखते हैं अगर यहाँ पे आ सकता है तो, लाइक आई वांट टू सी इफ दैट पॉप्स इन हियर, व्हाट आई एम थिंकिंग। No wait, we are gonna wait for the time. Now the thing is, we have this change instead of delivery with no pattern to be changed. These things. So we do have this. Yeah, we do have this continuation. But we took this intermediate high. That's the problem is that it's not really a problem as how bias is bullish, but I need closure both here, here in another 3 minutes. So that another 6 minutes, sorry. So that I can look for more high prices there. And when it comes to the lower time frame, we are bouncing off of this 15-minute changes of delivery, which is so beautiful. And I think we'll get some kind of strength, which as PS was so strong, and here right now Yankee is running out. You know, it's looking like it's going to come higher, come better than ES with this this transmission. But let's see what we can get. What are looking perfect? 3 minutes looking perfect from this change in state of delivery, but we need this change in state of delivery to consider it as we are moving out of the range. If we don't get this change in state of delivery, the market just can do this stuff. Coming here, pushing higher, moving here, pushing higher. You know, it can do this stuff and then chop us out and then just give me a second, guys. I got a call. Yeah, gold and silver. I forgot gold. I forgot about gold and silver. Totally sorry about that. Looking at the gold, we are just chopping around, guys. Nothing else here in gold and silver. We have this Waverly gap in silver, but I don't think so. We are gonna get surprise push up from at this point. And even in gold, we are just chopping around. Basically, nothing else in gold. Just chopping around inside of that fair value gap. I'm not interested at all in gold and silver. Coming to the oil, crude oil. Crude oil might have something interesting going on in here. We do have this SMT. We do have this SMT forming in here in 4 hour. If we get a closure, if we get this C2 closure, we might think of trying this longs to the London highs, as we might also get this PSP. This current candle can also be a PSP because HO is forming a little bit bullish candle there, and oil is bit bearish. That can also act as a potential um, strength switch, and then we can push higher. But let's see. Gold rubbish indices sticking to the sorry guys, sticking to the what the sticking to the indices now. Let's hope for this 30-minute closure in another 1 minute. If this didn't get a close above this body, then that there might be the problem. Like we have to just wait a little bit more to get our 10 a.m. entry. Now we need at least this closure. That's a bare minimum what we can get. Another 32 seconds, and ES might give us a good what do you say, inversion, I would say. Here we can try longs from there. I'm gonna risk 150 today, a little bit lower, as we taken two trades already. Okay, now two, yeah, two is good to go with two. Fuck, I have another account as well. I always forget about this account, bro. Come on. I need a little bit more information on this now. Here in ES, we are dropped a little bit more aggressively down there, and in NQ, we are just holding. So what if we got this? Okay, we just cleared it out. So what if we got at least this change instead of delivery? Sorry, this SMT, at least NQ clears. If NQ clears, that would be so good there. And then we can try longs from there. What if that happens? But we haven't yet cleared that low. That's a problem there. At least we have. What about YM? What's YM doing? YM is already at all-time highs, maybe. Yeah, it's already, bro. Come on. 50 minute is like shit in YM. But we do have some track and correlation already with YM, but I don't trust at this point. We still do have a lot of time, 13 minutes left. So we might take this low that's not far away, not much far away. I'm expecting this low to be cleared in any of the assets, NQ or yes. Then we can think of, going longs from there. Or else I'll just let it play, let the market do its thing. Not gonna rush like yesterday and okay, yeah. We haven't got a C2 closure here, but we did get a C2 closure on HO. Is it valid to trust that with this SMT down here? I don't know. We have to just wait and see what's gonna happen. I want to tap inside of this area. If oil wants to play out, I want to tap near, or at least it should come and reach this fair value gap near the 2 day open tap, or at least this near this area, and then give us a change in state of delivery to push higher. Not something from some random area. Look at this 1 hour candle, 1 hour or 4 hour candle, no wick down here. That's the problem again. If the candle is not forming a wick, coming to the indices, I'm waiting, guys. Obviously, I'm waiting. I'm waiting this low to be cleared. Okay, we do have SMT with what the fuck? Just give me a second, guys. Let me check the NQ. Mini. Okay, mini cleared this low. Mini cleared this low. And micros not yet cleared that low. Mini cleared that low though. Mini cleared. Micro is not yet cleared. We can consider it as a SMT because minis play a more important role than micros, as much as I know. But still waiting for a more confirmation. I can't just rely on that one SMT. SMT is just a confluence to me. So I need a good change in state of delivery up here, and then we can try longs from there. Or else, if I want to take in 1 minute, I need a little bit another. You know, anyhow, we are going to have. We should, rely on this up, series of down close candle and closure about this, because that's a true change in state of delivery, because that's the lowest low what we set here. This is our low, and this is the entire leg with these series of down close candles. If we need a perfect change in state of delivery, that should be here. Or if we want something else more interesting, what we can get is we get a push lower and we get change in state of delivery, and then we can try this out here. But let's see, let's wait and watch if we are gonna get that or not. To the coming to the indices. Yes, waiting for that low. Okay, ESC is gonna take that low. Yeah, both the assets took that low. Beautiful. Both the assets took that low. Now let's wait and watch. This low is not yet taken, but here we took that low. Now let's wait and watch. If this keeps on moving in a tight range like yesterday during AM session, and if it gives a pump in PM session, then guys, we have to just stay away from indices for today's AM session at least. Then we might try during PM session, but I don't know if I'm gonna trade PM session or not. But yeah, look at this range, entire range coming back inside of this range. Look, GC for shorts. Looking good though, but yeah, looking good. GC is looking good as well, but mhm, need to wait a little bit. We need a tap inside of this Waverly gap in 5 minutes, and then we can jump down in 3 minutes, and then we can take trades there. Not going to just two stage correlation with 4 RIs. Yeah. I saw that two stage. Not a two stage. Is that a two stage? Yeah, two stage. Crazy. There. 15-minute closure. Let me show you guys. I guess 15-minute closure. This high was with this high staying protected here. Where is my marker? This high is being staying protected entirely because this is a very highest one what we formed with these up close series candle. This high never hit, and now we'll wait for it to push lower. What do we have here in indices? You're going to just wait, guys. Okay, even indices are looking good though. 10 a.m. open. I get this changes state of delivery. If we get that, we can look for longs from here to these highs. And I need, I'm gonna only try with one micro there because I need only 200 to beat my consistency. So going in with one micro, risking $100 on that. If we get this change in state of delivery, only if we get this change in state of delivery. On a limit though. Only if we get that change in state of delivery, or else no trade. Okay, we are on our limits. Okay, for tap, let's watch. I have to be careful about my consistency here. 800 made already. I just need, how much do I need? 400? Okay, 400. I would have taken another one there, but let it be. Maybe made already 800, so, there'll be one. Great London. Yeah, yeah, yeah. London two trades. Beautiful trades. I posted both the trades in Discord. You guys can check it out there. Oh bro, fuck, I forgot my taking trade on my another account again. Shit. Okay, we are inside a 5 minute fair value gap right now. That is a problem. But if we are really bullish, that should not be the problem. So I was working. No bro, I was working. मैं काम कर रहा था ऐसे दूसरे स्क्रीन पे चार्ट खुला था तो मैं सोचा कि ट्राई करते हैं तो ले लिया था ऐसा वाला ट्रेड था इट वाज नॉट लाइक चलो ट्रेड करते हैं वो वाला ट्रेड नहीं था मतलब पूरा सेटअप बना के बैठो ऐसा वाला ट्रेड नहीं था बस मैं देख रहा था कुछ तो ले लिया था reducing a little bit of risk here because we are delivering from a fair value gap there. Okay, see, now if we get this change instead of delivery, I'm going to exit it. Or else it can stop me out. Not a big deal. Not much risk on this though. Is there a 5 minute open? No. Okay, we got that change instead of delivery. Come on, buddy. The problem with this change instead of delivery is no gap. You don't have any gap there. Yeah, getting a good rejection candles down here, but let's let's see. Let's wait. The problem here is the 15-minute candle. This is not C2, the current 15-minute candle. Sorry, the previous 15-minute candle. Getting a good push here. We reached this small fair value gap up here. I'm reducing my risk to total nil there, like totally less. That is because we got this change in set of delivery. I just wanted to follow the structure. Even if I would have placed it there, that was not a big loss to me. But yeah, just wanted to follow the structure whatever the market is showing. Bit hard to handle this trade at this point because the previous candle closure was not in our favor. Might get stopped out maybe, but that's totally fine. Not a big loss there. The problem with this current trade is how strong this low can be. That is the question. How protected that low can be, because we don't have any Kraken correlation there with that low, I think. So there is very low chance of holding it, very low chance that it will hold. Oh, fuck it, bro. I think I should be closing it. Come on, bro. Give us a green. What the fuck? Just wanted to close it on green. Give me a second, guys. Sorry, guys. We had a call, very important call. So I had to take it. You're not profitable, but you're an emotional trader. Yeah, bro, I'm emotional trader. Every human are emotional, and every trader is emotional at some point. If he is not trading perform accounts, so I'm not profitable. Yeah, I'm not profitable. Absolutely right. You're absolutely right. I'm just here to document my journey. Oh fuck, you're kidding. But that's true, bro. That's true. Everyone is emotional out here. But I just followed my plan there. I was looking for this change instead of delivery. Look at this change instead of delivery here. If that forms, I said I will take out my position. You can just rewind the stream and look at it. So I just took it out. Even though I would have taken that loss, that's just a fucking $50 loss in 50K account. I paid 800 this morning. I can afford that $50. That's not a big deal to me. And that's totally fine, bro. That's cool. Like, see, everyone are emotional here. Everyone, we are humans. We are absolutely emotional. We can't do anything about that. We have to just keep on going with that thing. We are not robots. And again, I'm not. To be honest, I'm not profitable yet, but I'll be one day. That's for sure. And everyone are here to be profitable. No one comes profitable from the day one, right? We have to just follow the process. We have to, go through shit ton of losses. We have to go into a till. We have to, go into a FOMO. We have to blow a lot of accounts. And then comes a day we'll be profitable. Until then, we have to keep on showing up every day. We have to, keep on doing things. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, bro. But that's the reality. You even though you were kidding, you talked the real shit, bro. I totally respect it. Even though you say me, what do you say? Did you delete your Canada server? Yeah, bro, I did delete the Canada server because I had to focus on one particular server. You can join my old server. Let me just share you guys a link if you guys want to join my old server. You guys are absolutely welcome. Let me just show you guys. Where are you guys? Are you guys watching my horizontal live stream or vertical live stream? Where should I come and queue my server? Pinned, pinned in a comment. You can just join there. We are becoming active, more active day by day on our server. Let me just throw it here as well. Yes, sir. Here we go. You guys can join here as well. Let it do its thing, guys. It should turn bullish, but not in AM. If not in AM, we are not gonna touch it. Okay. So we will just keep it doing its thing. But gold is playing out pretty well. Crazy shit in gold. Looking at the higher time frame, this chop here, look at this range here. During the London session, I was not much confident on gold, but now it's looking so cool. Absolutely beautiful. Let me try this on gold. MGC. Can we try this gold? Short. Okay, that's cool. When 3 minute is looking good there. Sticking to the three. And we have our limits there. If it taps, it taps. If it loses, it loses. Let it play. Okay, we are in. We are almost break even on NQ and we are trying gold shorts here. We are in. Let's hold it. Just continuation. Nothing much complicated on this. Like it's just a basic continuation trade. I have to, keep on watching my P&L. We got to tap on that 3 minute change the state of delivery as well. So beautiful change in state of delivery there. But we are living back this 5 minute fair value gap. Let's see. What the fuck, bro? Okay, NQ. You don't care about NQ when you are trading gold when it comes to SMTs. As soon as we enter, the markets will start reversing from there. Hell no, bro. Okay, took that loss. We're gonna tap that 5 minute. Did we clear this low? Not yet. We need a tap instead of that 5 minute gap, maybe. Maybe that was a problem. We have this inversion. Now let's see what about indices. What's happening in here? We don't have any crack and correlation though. Okay, do have something interesting here. We are forming this one stage and pushing higher. Now let's see if we can get that changes state of delivery and then we can take a trade based on that. If we are not going to get this 5 minute tap, then we have to just stay away from it. Silver, silver futures. So I don't know why assets are being very total decoupled, total decoupled. Not okay. We came back here, tapped it to the true day open as I expected to happen. Even though yeah, even it's some kind of retracement, I would not consider it reversing from here because we don't have any PDRI to push it higher in 15 minutes at least. And even in 5 minutes, I don't see anything there other than this big ass inversion here, but I can't trust that. The only thing which can push the price higher here is this 2 day open. It can push the price higher. And this 30-minute fair value gap. Look at this 30 minute. We should get a tap inside of that 30 minute and then we can get a good push higher there. Let's see. Oh, I want to set alert alert there. What the? Yeah. Okay. Let's wait for this 3 minute. I know we hit that oil alert, the 30-minute tap. Then now I'll be waiting for this alert to be hit. Until and unless I'm not going to look at the oil, we do have NQ and ES. Okay, ES is looking good to be honest. Okay, ES I might try on market execution. ES here. I am longs in ES. Market executed. I might try one with the limit here. Okay. You're in with three. Now let's hold this. We still don't have a like the best confirmation, but we are holding it, guys. We're getting 2 hour there. Oh, are we getting 2 hour? Yeah, yeah. What's NQ doing? Okay, NQ looking good. Had to enter it on market because sometimes it will just run. NQ closed C2. That's very good. Should I try here in NQ as well? 2 hour, 2 hour. If we come back and get a tap, 3 will cost a lot. Two is okay. Let's try it in NQ. If I get a tap in NQ, I'll just exit it from ES because NQ is looking a bit stronger to me. Wrong asset chose. Yeah, I did choose the wrong asset, I think, but they should push. I don't know why did I choose SMP. I thought it already given that oh change the of delivery. But that's the ideal what I would have done because look at this. We didn't even get a tap. I would have definitely missed this move here. At least I'm in a trade. I would say like in here. Anyhow, we are gonna get good push higher though. But I think it's gonna take a little bit more time. This we risk very less, bro. Come on. That's not ideal risk. Yes, needs to push. Okay, -2 exactly there. Let's hold this shit now. NQ is pushing like hell, bro. Gold. I don't want to see gold now. Let it do its thing. So if we clear these equal highs, tapping into this fair value gap in ES, I might think of going break even there. Get this closer as well. Okay, look at this. We totally inverse this gap. With this, we can just move it here. With this down here. Sorry, down here. Oh, let's hold it. The problem with this thing is this changes it after every 30 minutes changes it after every we had with the previous candle. But looking at the overall context, a bullish context, we should be getting pushed higher. That's what I feel. Not where I was about to add another contract there on limit, but I don't think so. It's going to tap me there. Come on. Yeah, got tapped. We are here with four contracts. Can I modify this? I can't. I have to just put on the contract there. Yeah. Now let it play. Reduced or stop to here. A little bit order. So how much are we getting there? Okay, that's cool. We can take that now. Now let it play, guys. So as we said, have this gap here, bearish gap, and once we reach this high, we are going to pull our stops to break even. Whatever happens, if we get stopped out at break even, that's totally fine. We are going to take it. Nothing much we can do about it. If we are getting stopped out at break even, after that, NQ bro, NQ is not even giving a single retracement here. That was a beautiful, but there is no entry at all. If you want to play it on limits, the only thing you would have got entry here is this. But how would you know it's not going to give a retracement? That is a thing, tricky thing here when it comes to playing out with entries. Almost there, almost there. Come on, baby, almost there, almost there. Make it risk free. Yes, baby. Okay, now the trade is risk free. Whatever comes, whatever goes. If it goes, it goes. If if it holds, if this change instead of delivery holds, I don't think so it will hold because of a C2 closure what we got in 30 minute. But again, still let's have a good hope, guys, as NQ is pumping beautifully up there. Let's have a good hope. Let's have a good hope, boys. Come on. Yes. Look at this candle here. Good, beautiful candle. Beautiful expansion candle, I would say. C2 closure, C3, beautiful expansion candle. We are unknowingly participating in a C3 or 15-minute time frame, but a very dangerous candle here in like, look at this 30-minute structure. Again, higher time frame always wins. We can't just rely on 15-minute and 1 minute time frame. So just being safe there, guys. And the way it's pumping, that's not at all cool. Leaving those, yeah, this is what I was talking. Leaving those low resistance liquidity down there, that's not at all cool. We'll get a better entry. We'll get a better structure forming after getting swept out those low resistance liquidity. But we have to stay. We have to be in game. So that's the reason. Just pull your stops to break even, and be safe if you are into this trade. Anyhow, we are looking for a bullish trades all day, so we can wait for it. We have another 30 seconds for 15 minutes to close. That is a very big problem there because we haven't yet inversed that 15-minute fair value gap, which we are inside now, and we are opening a new candle. So it can just rapidly dump and take us out. That can happen. We have to be just ready for that. Five, four, three, two, one. Pump or dump. Pump or dump. Come on. Pump or dump. Come on, baby. Pump or dump. Look at the beautiful close in NQ, guys. What a close in NQ, but look at the ES. ES is crying like hell. What did I say? It will just dump or will just pump. No staying in between. As you guys can see, it's dumping. So that's the reason we can break evens if you see such shitty, slow, sloppy push higher. Either that will hold or that will totally rig us off. And I'm ready for it. I'm totally ready for it. Take us out at break even. We can try another trade. Totally fine with it. Break even, break even, break even. Come on, come on, come on. Hit that break even. Come on, come on, bro. Don't make me miss that clean move after this. Sometimes being in a chop, while I'm being in a chop, I would more prefer to getting stopped out at break even and resetting your mind, coming back with a better entry approach rather than just wasting your time in a chop because that's not cool, guys. I have a trade history where we just had a beautiful trades setups straight to the TP, no retracement. That's what I wanted. That's cool. Now let's wait. Let's wait. And let's wait and watch. We had a good pump there. Okay. We just clear all the shit. We had a good pump. We came back. We had this fair value gap. The problem here with NQ is from where we are trying to reverse. That's a problem. Do we have any PDRA here to push it higher? The only thing we have is this 1 minute small gap, which is inversed and it's not even yet capped there. But here we are bouncing off of 3 minute fair value gap, not 3 minute, 5 minute fair value gap. And we might get 3 minute changes instead of delivery with this SMT. Just remove it with this SMT. Where should I try, guys? I think I should just go with the NQ. But the problem with the NQ here is we are not bouncing off of some level. That's a problem. Or wait 27 seconds. What is ES doing? Check it in ES. Okay, ES is even ES is not having that changes it of delivery there. We do have this small, but I don't know if I can trust that because ES is not yet formed that changes it of delivery, and even 3 minute is not willing to give that changes it of delivery. We still left to wait another 30 seconds there. So yeah, just giving it a little bit more time. Uh, or else I might try the next 15 minutes. Go to the gold futures. This big as fair value gap there. Had a good retracement. Look at the oil, oil. So oil is just chopping around, guys. Nothing much in oil. The only thing we are left with is indices. We have to wait. 2 minute. 2 minute block here, but not interested on that. Better go with this changes in profitability. Even this low is still staying protected. This low is still staying protected. I can trust this changes of delivery. It means basically we'll leave it order. So now the problem is new 1 hour candle will be open in another couple of minutes. So that's the problem. That is the reason why we are getting this low price action. Wait, wait, guys, wait. Yo, yo, yo. Welcome to the stream. You're late to the party, bro. Oh shit. Oh, yeah, it's funded account. No need to worry about that. You, if you're break even, that's totally fine. Yeah. I think so. Think we should wait for 1 hour close. Ten thousand, 10,000 or 1,000. Even mine will be break even maybe because yesterday we had a loss and today I covered a little bit of it. So I think we will be break even for this week. But we had a pretty much good prediction there for the week. Look at this. Look at that pump. Look at that pump. Give 4 minutes though. We'll wait. मेरा बोल रहा हूँ भाई. मेरा भी मतलब kind of around break even ही चल रहा है. Not a good week here as well. 15-minute total flip we got here. We are forming this gap now, but I don't think so. We are going to get retracement. We should be getting retracement on next candle. That's 11 a.m. candle. After 1 minute, we can long Brazilian queue. I'm expecting this will be my last trade of the day. 2 hour somewhere around here. Yeah, that's cool. Dollar four. Okay, our limits are on. अब बस वेट करना है. NQ gave us a tap there. This is fucking problem, bro. Sorry, ES gave us a tap. Now this is problem, bro. Come on, bro. Wait, you can't. You can't do this with us. Thank you. Okay, oil is pumping. Oil is pumping. Fucking shit, bro. लेकिन पेपर में ले लिया है ट्रेड. ठीक है भाई, मेरा ट्रेड मिस हो रहा है भाई. देखो यहाँ पे. This beautiful gap. We got tap in NQ, ES, but not in NQ. Fuck, bro. Fuck NQ. Fuck NQ, bro. Fuck NQ. For you. अब वो भी टैप टैप नहीं मिलेगा देखना. ओके, वी गॉट दिस टैप. रिस्क थोड़ा कम है बट ठीक है. ठीक है. द रीजन आई टुक दिस ट्रेड इज एन ईएस ने टैप दे दिया था बट एनक्यू ने नहीं दिया था. बट थोड़ा रूम दे देते हैं इसके लिए. चलो. नॉट अ गुड रिस्क मैनेजमेंट. फक इट ब्रो, आई फॉलो माय रिस्क मैनेजमेंट. फक इट. कितना मिल सकता है अपन को? 4 से एंटर हुए हैं. 400 मिल रहा है. ठीक है फिर भी. मतलब ठीक ही है. 400 भी. अब पंप देना चाहिए बाबू भैया. ये क्या होता है भैया? राहुल भैया, वेट इट विल और मे बी नॉट. मेरे को भी यही लगता था। वेट, इट विल, और मे बी नॉट। यही लगता था भैया मेरे को भी। इसी के चक्कर में टिल्ट में चले जाते हैं हम कभी कभी। इसी के चक्कर में चले जाते हैं टिल्ट में हम कभी कभी। Where can I make it? Oh, not yet, bro. It's for, come on. What are you talking about? I make it sure. 7:15. I don't know, like if we are getting that high, but just holding it. We do have draw there though. Do have draw there though. Not a big deal. But this will be more safer draw, I would say. I'll go break even from when it taps this level. If it taps this level, if it taps, I should say, I should use this word now. Pulling it to the bodies there, reduced little bit of risk. Have to see if you'll get a good push. Looking at the 15 minute, the way it's forming with a small wick, it should give us a good expansion. But let's see. Can't say anything in such conditions. Okay. Once we reach this high, I'm gonna just pull it to the break even. Because I don't want that shit to, act as some kind of rejection block and then push back in and then take another loss. That is the reason. If I would have traded 1:2, I would have definitely hit RTP, right? Like, at least now. Look at that. We reached that. And this shit happens a lot of time. Getting those rejection blocks, all those shitty things. I don't want to do those stuff, bro. Come on, bro. Push higher. We made a little bit this morning, so staying calm. Am I doing a mistake, guys? Not taking our 2 hour profit? Am I doing a mistake here? Am I doing a mistake here? अरे chill मारो जाएगा. FPGs hold. They sometimes hold my dick, bro. They'll be like, hold my dick. Sometimes market is like, hold my dick. No FPG can hold me. That's too easy for market to take us out, bro. It's too easy. It's just one fucking week from there where the market is right now to take us out. But again, प्लीज टारगेट द हाइज, आई नीड दैट मनी. मैंने अकाउंट लॉग आउट कर दिया और आई वुड ट्रेड द पीएम सेशन लॉल. दैट्स गुड ब्रो. लॉक कर दिया है, बढ़िया है. मैं कल 600 का लॉस लेके गया, आई थिंक 700 800 का कुछ 700 का लॉस लेके गया था लाइव स्ट्रीम पे. ऑफ स्ट्रीम ट्रेड करके उसको 1000 पहुंचा दिया हूँ. दिस इज वेरी बैड. तू तू लॉक किया है, दैट इज सो गुड। और तेरा पीए है, मेरा ईमेल था। अगर मेरा पीए रहता तो आई थिंक मैं भी लॉक कर देता लाइव पे ही आपके सामने। लुक एट दिस शीट। Okay, we have this fair value gap now. 3 minute fair value gap. Better, higher time frame, better. If you would add a PA, you would either pay out or breach your account. Even that would have happened, to be honest. मेरे को जितना अच्छा राहुल भैया जानते हैं ना, उतना कोई भी नहीं जानता। He knows me better because we be in touch personally as well. अगर मैं उड़ाता भी हूँ तो उनको बता ही देता हूँ कि भैया उड़ा दिया अकाउंट। अगर पे आउट लिया रहता हूँ तो उनको बता ही दिया रहता हूँ कि भैया ले लिया पे आउट। सो आई शेयर एवरीथिंग रिगार्डिंग माय लूज, रिगार्डिंग माय गोइंग इनटू अ टिल्ट एंड एवरी फकिंग थिंग विद हिम। सो ही नोज मी बेटर देन एनीवन हियर इन लाइव स्ट्रीम। एंड ओम थोड़ा थोड़ा इसको भी पता है। एंड लाइक फ्रॉम नाउ you guys will know me the way I am because I'll be sharing everything on live। अगर कुछ ऑफ स्ट्रीम भी ट्रेड ले लिया, टिल्ट में गया भैंचोद अकाउंट भी उड़ा दिया तो आके बता दूंगा। हो जाए भाई, जो भी हो जाए होने दो। दैट इज द वे आई थिंक आई विल बी लर्निंग दिस प्रोसेस। और एस हाइडिंग थिंग्स फ्रॉम द पब्लिक which you are influencing, that won't, you know, that won't help us, and that won't help for the people who are following you as well. So yeah, document a journey doesn't matter, we all lose. Exactly. People will see us even we are losing. People will see us even we are winning. That is the thing. What is the 50% of this fucking shitty week here? This, bro, where is our? Okay, this is a 50%. Let's see. At least we can reach there, or we'll just chop around here. We have another 3 minutes for this candle closure. What is 3 minute doing? We need closure about this 3 minute candle in another 8 seconds if that's possible, or else we just chop around. This fair value gap should hold. Come on, fucking hold it. Oh, we didn't close, but this should hold. We are making it back what we lost yesterday, and we'll make it stronger, bro. Come on, push higher. Much do I need more? Okay, we are at 1,000 now. We need another 200 more to finish off our day. The fucking all time highs. ब्रो, यहाँ से आप ऑल टाइम हाइज, आई डोंट थिंक सो। मतलब यहाँ पे और डीप रिट्रेसमेंट आ सकते हैं हर टाइम फ्रेम पे, बट आई डोंट नो। ऑल टाइम हाइज यही तो है ऑल टाइम हाइज में भी। ऑल टाइम हाइज का प्राइस बताना थोड़ा, राहुल भैया, अगर आप टारगेट कर रहे हो तो। मैं यहाँ पे कुछ चार्ट पे कुछ कर नहीं सकता क्योंकि रिकॉर्ड हो रहा रहता है। आई लुक एट 4 आवर। ओके, इधर ही तो है 4। ओके, मैंने इधर ही एंट्री किया था, इधर ही तो है मेरा 4 आवर। 4 आवर टाइम फ्रेम। ओ फकिंग हियर। 784। 784 भैया, उतना तो मेरा गुदा नहीं है, मैं नहीं होल्ड कर सकता। यहाँ से तो नहीं होल्ड कर सकता, यहाँ से तो नहीं। ये अगर लोएस्ट पे कुछ होता तो मैं सोचता, लाइक I would have thought. I would have $1,000. थाउजेंड कितने क्वांटिटीज से नो आप? सेम क्वांटिटी से नो. Yeah, are we getting that 3 minute change instead of delivery in another minute? Okay, we need this closure. We need closure above this candle, above this line in next minute. That will be so good. So fucking good. 7 contracts. यहाँ से. यहाँ से 7. हाँ, थोड़ा ऊपर. मतलब हाईस टोटल हाईस आ सकता है. बट दिस शिट, आई डोंट लाइक दिस शिट. और अभी नया 15 मिनट ओपन होने वाला है. दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम. दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम, फकिंग प्रॉब्लम हियर. शिट ब्रो. If we get this 3 minute closure, then that we might be fine. ओके, मिला भाई, क्लोजर मिला. अभी देखते हैं. अभी देखते हैं if that holds, that 3 minute holds. एक पुश चाहिए, बस एक पुश चाहिए. एक पुश चाहिए, हमारा डीपी मिल जाएगा. बस एक पुश चाहिए. ब्रेक इवन होंगे ना आप, राहुल भैया? It looks like a 15 minutes should push higher now. Okay, that's a good spot. Yes, I took exactly the same trade as you. Lost two trades. 8,000 to be in profit for a day. अब भी ये वाला ट्रेड पे ब्रेक इवन होना आप. ओके ओके. या, ब्रेक इवन ही रहेंगे. एग्जैक्टली सेम ट्रेड, मतलब ब्रेक इवन ही होंगे. द ओनली थिंग इज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइजिंग. वो आपका थोड़ा बड़ा है, हमारा थोड़ा छोटा है. Because I can't cross my what do you say that what do you say that consistency rule. Can't break it. अरे भैंचोद भाई, एक पंप चाहिए भाई. लाइक द प्रीवियस डे व्हाट वी हैड. और हम बहुत क्लोज है बीटीपी के लिए. ऑलमोस्ट 1/3 कवर कर चुके हैं. तो या, only one watching. What the fuck? Okay, that's a good close there. But this is a bad dump. Should be pumping higher. Did we take this high? Yeah, it's still far away. Still far away. And we should push, bro. Come on. Maybe this should hold. You have to break this region, bro. ये रीजन ब्रेक करना बहुत जरूरी है. ब्रेक हो चुका है, बट दैट इज प्रीवियस कैंडल्स हाई. Now the look at the asset synchronization. Like ES was out of nowhere, it's getting stronger, and NQ is was a little bit slower, just to catch up with both assets. You know, get just to get in sync with both assets. These things happens. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Okay, 5 minute good closure there. Okay, let's see. I can fucking exit it, but I just hold it here or just let it do its thing. The fuck? Let me just keep it. Let me just keep it like this. Okay, bro. It's reversing as soon as I open my profit sheet. It's reversing. It haven't even reached that 50% of that rejection block. But again, it's not mandatory to reach it. But that's hoping. I'm still hoping that it should push higher. Come on, NQ. Yes, it's turning bullish. These lows are not good, bro. These lows are not at all good. These lows are not at all good. Shit. I think I'm going to just. What will not take those lows? I didn't get it. What the fuck? The fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? These lows, as I said, these lows, fucking these lows. Those are failure swings. And these things happen if this last, the closing candle forms such lows. The market might open, come lower, take all these lows, and then push higher. That's a not good sign there. Are we gonna push higher with this order block here? I don't think so. What's the consistency if we took 800 wins for the day and lost 200? What? What's the consistency if you took 800 wins for the day and you lost 200? You can only take 600, remember that. What? I didn't get it, bro. क्या बोल रहे हो? मतलब मैं अभी 1200 नहीं बना सकता? You are saying. Fuck you, bro. You cannot make more than 600. अरे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बना सकता हूँ भैया. 1200 से ज्यादा नहीं बनाने का है मेरे को, which will cross my 40% consistency. As I said, clear these lows. We can expect a push higher there. एंड जो 1000 पे निकाल लूंगा मैं अभी इसके. नहीं चाहिए भाई, 500 में को. ओके. ओके. लेट्स गो बेबी. लेट्स गो. What the? Give us a push, bro. Come on, Q. Don't do this. Don't do this, Q. You made 800 in the morning and then you lost 200. Now you can only make 600 because. I know. इसीलिए तो यहाँ पे टोटल प्रॉफिट्स देख रहा हूँ. ये आज का प्रॉफिट है पूरा. आज का पूरा ही है. डे का ही है. इसीलिए मैं इसको 1200, मतलब 1000 पे एग्जिट करने वाला हूँ. भैंस जो ये 1000 तक जा ही नहीं रहा है. 1200 पे एग्जिट करने वाला हूँ उसको. इसीलिए मैं 500 पे रखा था उसको वहां पे. 86, 94, 94, 70, 80, 92. Come on, baby, push. 1000, 1010, 1016, and I'm out here. मिल गया भाई इतना. बस. बस. But let's hold. Let's wait for Rahul Bhaiya. Let's wait for Rahul Bhaiya here. My trade was good. मैंने एग्जिट कर दिया. मैं इधर ही कर देता, बट आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग 1000 आउट ऑफ इट. सो क्वेश्चन मार्क. पहन चो एग्जीक्यूशन मार्किंग्स नहीं दिख दिख रहे हैं ट्रेडिंग व्यू पे. आई हेट दिस शिट, ब्रो. हाउ विल आई पोस्ट दिस? रील तो करूंगा ही, वो अलग बात है. मेरी फोटो अलग. इतना था ना मेरा. Maybe- yeah, I will be talk to you. हाँ भाई, 1:2 तो मिला होगा. 1:3 मिला है. दैट्स टोटली फाइन. As expected, clearing out these failure swings, and we are getting that pump. We are getting that pump. आपका हाई इधर ही होगा ना राहुल भैया? यही वाला हाई होगा मे बी. When I do reset chart, then the chart itself is reset incorrectly. What? समझा नहीं मैं. यही हाई होगा ना आपका? मे बी 1000 वाला, बट बी केयरफुल। 2.5 -2.5 पहुंच चुके हैं अभी, तो या वी कैन गेट अ पंप ऑब्वियसली, बट स्टिल सेइंग थोड़ा केयरफुल रहो। 718, 715, 67, ओके, दैट वही तो है, ये यही वाला हाई है 718, इधर ये 718। नया 15 मिनट ओपन है। जब भी नया कैंडल ओपन होता है, इट विल क्रिएट सम काइंड ऑफ chaos, whether it might be in your favor or it might be against your favor। 687 पे, यहाँ पे 687, ठीक है। जस्ट ट्राई टू स्टे ग्रीन फॉर द डे इस पॉइंट पे, क्योंकि आपका बहुत, यू आर वेरी नियर टू योर टीपी नाउ, सो they should flip and give you a TP। I'm expecting that to happen. Look at the asset synchronization, what how happened here at this point। यहाँ पे NQ इतना स्लो हो गया ना, उतने में ES कैचअप कर दिया उसके साथ, मतलब इट accelerated and it is at same point where NQ is right now। So this is a kind of asset synchronization we say। एक एसेट थोड़ा धीमे हो जाता है, एक एसेट थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ा लेता है, ताकि दोनों एसेट सिंक हो जाए एक दूसरे से। एज सून एज ईएस टेक्स दिस हाई, आई थिंक आपको निकल जाना चाहिए राहुल भैया। यहाँ पे देखो, ये हाई लेने के बाद निकल जाओ आप, क्योंकि यहाँ तक आने के बाद चूतियापा ना हो जाए, समझ रहे हो ना। लेट इट डू इट शिट, बट यू नो अगर ये निकल गए तो आपको, आपका हो ही जाएगा काम। अगर ये निकल गए उससे पहले तो निकल जाओ, that's what I'm telling। I'll trail by SL if ES takes those highs। या वो कर सकते हो। हम्म, वो करो, वो करो, वो करो, दैट्स गुड। अरे बहन चो, 3 पॉइंट्स 3 पॉइंट्स, 3 पॉइंट से ये एज कर रहा है अभी। 7 पे ला रहे हो, ठीक है, यहाँ पे, ठीक है। दिस इज योर एसएल, राहुल भैया एसएल, ये वाला राहुल भैया का एसएल है, हमारा रेड वाला एसएल है। चलो देखते हैं भैया। Either I think either he'll be taking 700 or either he'll be taking 1000 at this point। और आप एक ही हो जो मेरा लाइव स्ट्रीम देख रहे हो अभी। फक, फक। ये वी आर स्टिल इन आई थिंक, वी आर स्टिल इन आई थिंक। अब होगा भाई, अब होगा, अब होगा खत्म बात, अब होगा खत्म बात, अब हो गया। अरे फक, वी गॉट आउट देयर इन वड़ा पाए। राहुल भैया स्वीन, मतलब मेरे जितना ही काइंड ऑफ जस्ट एज, बट आई अबाउट या हो गया खत्म बात। ब्यूटीफुल ट्रेड, ब्यूटीफुल सेशन गाइस, what a beautiful session today we had। Gold was sitting around, oil was sitting around, but indices beautifully played out। मैं इधर ही लॉन्ग करने का ट्राई कर रहा था, यहीं पे, यहीं से, बट आई गॉट स्टॉप्ड आउट मल्टीपल टाइम्स एज टोटली। could have been in profit if I did not take that 15-minute breakout trade. 15 मिनट ब्रेकआउट लिए थे क्या आप आज? मैं लाइक जो मैं वीक फ्रेम किया था बस वही चल रहा है, लाइक वही चला था वही चल रहा है। ट्यूसडे सेट लो किया, लो सेट किया, वेडनेसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे पुशिंग हाई टू ऑल टाइम हाईज, इट विल डेफिनेटली पुश आई थिंक। अगर फ्राइडे नहीं किया तो नेक्स्ट संडे या फिर मंडे पुश करके हाई लेके ही रहेगा। दैट इज द डायरेक्शन व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू सी। ओके, नाउ वी हैव आवर मार्किंग्स, लेट मी टेक स्क्रीनशॉट नाउ। बट था, ये जोन था विच वे फ्रॉम वेयर द मार्केट कैन बी रिवर्स्ड, वो जोन था वहां पे। The best thing is we held, even though we had that rapid down close candles, we held the trade. This happens. This happens only when you are entering with a low size. You'll be able to hold the trades when you are entering with a low size, as I did today. वरना मैं भी फोमो जाके इधर ही कहीं पे बीच पे निकल जाता था, इधर ही कहीं पे बीच पे निकल जाता था। So that's the thing, guys. Okay, guys. See you guys tomorrow. It's not a good condition for 15 minutes. The week's higher time frame bias was so obvious. It's just we got chopped in between. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, that's what happened. बस उसी को लोअर टाइम फ्रेम पे थोड़ा chaos को क्लियर करके लेना पड़ेगा अपन को। डेली अभी वही पे उसी पे फोकस करना पड़ेगा। हायर टाइम फ्रेम हम कैसे भी निकाल लेते हैं, बट लोअर टाइम फ्रेम थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है। एनीवेज, सी यू गाइस टुमारो, टेक केयर, बाय बाय। वी हैड अ ब्यूटीफुल stream, guys. See you guys on Monday. Happy weekend. Trade safe. Make sure to follow on my socials, Pawan Trades and Inverse Edge on both the Twitter and Instagram. That's it for today, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.